Hi guys, been a minute, so join me. Let's see what's happening in today's video. Kicking it old school, Dollar Tree style. This table holds all of the Halloween and fall items we've gotten from Dollar Tree.
Hi, I'm Sheila. I'm Chanel's cousin, and we're sitting here today because we decided to do a Dollar Tree haul.
Hi guys, Emma Gypsy Heart here. You may hear my cousin refer to me by my given name. You guys know me as Shay. She refers to me by my given name, which is Chanel. So let us show you what we did damage-wise at Dollar Tree for Halloween.
Okay, these are the little purple pumpkins, and then I don't know if you can see, but they're etched in gold on the side with the gold glitter. And these are the I guess they're kind of golden pumpkins, but with the black dots all over them, which I think is really cute. A couple of the lanterns, which
And each there were several
really
different
cute.
and there were several different styles design-wise.
Yeah, they all have like little different shades of pictures on the back, on the sides. And then this is too cute, a little ghost. And I guess you could probably light him up or something, put a little tea light or something under there that's electric, you know, battery-wise. And then the witches' hats, which really are adorable.
And it is kind of our signature thing.
Yeah, absolutely. And then this was just too cute, which is the scared cat. But I mean, look at the eyes. That is just, I thought that was so adorable. So she couldn't leave him behind. If we would have had one more, if there would have been one more, we would have picked him up. I mean, you know, so.
It was the only one I saw.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying, yeah. And then I picked up this, but really I just picked up this to make a hair piece. So that's really what this is going to be used for Halloween. And then they had this bow, but this was the only bow that they had like it, or else we would have definitely gotten two of these. Look how cute! Can you, like, there's the spider webs are on them, the spiders are in between, and you can kind of feel it's kind of glittery with a silvery type of. It's black with a little silvery type of glittery, but not lots of glitter, just a little bit. Now this, I don't know if you can see, but we're going to try to get it into the shot. So every time you move it, it goes from the family portrait straight into the ghostly faces, which is going to be really cute. I think I'm going to try to frame him and hang him up above my fireplace.
And we'll show you the fireplace before and after.
Yeah. This is the little cat, which I think he's absolutely adorable because he's the cat. And this bow, I think, just completely sets him off.
I think the bow is adorable.
I do too. I love the bow. So, and then from there, we tried to get 4 of everything that we got. 2 for her, 2 for me. So we started with the purple, and we also have the orange with the spiders on it and the little vines that go across it. Really adorable. These are really adorable. And this, I'm going to use these, but I'm going to use this for a different project. I'm not going to put this on my wreath. But I do love this color, this deep color purple, and I think this would look really good on a different project, probably in the future. So, and then these, I kind of started throwing fall into the selection of what we were doing. So these are all fall candles. All of this came from Dollar Tree. So everything. This was $1.
What flavor?
These are 4 pretty big candles, and this is, I guess, pumpkin. I don't really see I can't really see what it says on here, but just smelling it, it smells like fall in a plastic case at this point. I mean, you know, so if you just smell it, it's like, this will definitely scent your entire house. I could promise you that. These I thought were really cute, and I'm gonna try to home in on them. So these are just those little melty things, which around the holidays, I just think that that's all, you know, anything you can do around the holidays to decorate with or make your house smell good with. We all enjoy that and we all love it. And these were there too. I did not see any of the little pots to melt this in. So that, I guess we'll have to go to a different store to get something to melt in now. These we got, let's see. We did.
And we have to mention that this isn't just for one project. This is for
Right.
like 3 or 4 projects.
Right. This is probably good for projects right here. This was another color for the fall candles. I tried to get the different colors. The red. I love it all.
To me, it smells like outside. Like
It does. It smells so good. And then these were real cute, but all we could get was one. So this is just a little pair of socks that I picked up for myself. Well, really, Shay found them and, you know, called my attention to it. But look how cute. It's a little witch. She's just flying through the sky. I love Halloween socks, so this was perfect for me. If they would have had more, I would have picked those up. And I mean, really, even if you feel them, they're thick. They're not real thin socks. So, and then let's see, the little lights, because we did pick up like different type of lights. So this is the spider, which is really cute, really. And this I fell in love with when Shay picked it up, which is all the little pumpkins, which I'm going to use that on my fireplace once everything's set up for the mantle. And then these, which are adorable, they're eyeballs, if you can see them. They're just all eyeballs, but that, I mean, all of this is just so adorable for any project that you're working on for Halloween.
And I have to point out that I even asked the sales associate if they had these lights, and she didn't have any. But I managed to find them.
Correct, exactly.
But she
so don't go by that, because a lot of times they might be new working in the stores,
yeah.
And so they might not know all of their products.
Right, that's what she said. Yeah.
And then this is another thing.
We had to send my husband to get these because we forgot.
Yeah, because we totally, after everything, we totally forgot these, which are the pipe cleaners, and these are really good. They're really long. And all we're going to do is we're going to cut them in half, and then whatever, when we start the reefs, we'll just twist them and tie them up on the back. So you won't even see this.
Right, it doesn't matter what color they are or anything at this point.
This will never even be seen.
And there are 3 packs of those, or 4 packs.
We have 3 packs of those. Then we move here to
the biggest, the largest amount of things we have.
Yeah, which is the little mesh things over here. And so we counted them. There are 27.
And we have purple, black, and some of the black aren't straight black. Some of them have gold threading that looks like webs, etc. And then there's the orange ones right there.
The orange, and then we have these, which is like orange, purple, gold, white. And then these were brown with the gold, which that's going to be for fall. This is not for the Halloween projects at all. So, and then we come up here to little scarecrows because I just thought they were adorable. And we also have
oh no, there he is.
This, which is another project that will be for the Halloween project. So stay tuned, because this will definitely be part of it. So we got 2 of those.
And they're 2 different colors. One is silver hollow and the other is purple.
Right. And you know what? You can take this lettering off. Like, if you didn't want to keep this, you could take this leathering off. You can actually undo all of this, which is what I'm going to do with it, because I have some other things that I'm going to hang up on it. And so all this you can just take it off and then just reuse it. So it's all going to be used for Halloween. The next thing is the flowers, and all of these are little accent things.
There's some orange in there.
There's orange. There's like maple, like the maple color. If you look inside of the middle of the flowers, you'll actually see eyeballs. So what is spookier for Halloween? I mean, you know. So, and I literally just tried to get a whole different mix match of colors and just whatever would brighten it and pull it out, you know. So, which is gonna be, it's gonna look really good once I get it all up on the fireplace, because that's where it's headed. This is all, again, Dollar Tree, which they just happened to have all the colors when we walked in. The store was fully stocked when we walked in, so, which was good for us, you know. And then Shay also wanted to get the black with the silver, which I think is really pretty. I love that silver on there. So then we have like the little plaque, like the witch is in, which is cute. We are in, and as cute as this is, I'm probably going to take this off, and this is probably going to go somewhere on the wreath itself. And
then there's one more over here that they only had one. So she got the socks, I got the purple one.
I got the green.
But she got the witch socks, so I got this one. And we have, I think, five of the green ones, which are
yeah,
over here.
I think there's 5 of those, and then we got the bells, and I think there's 2, 4, 6. Is that all we got? Was 6? So we got 6 of these, and this will be also used for this project over here. But part of it will also be used for the hair piece that I will put together for myself. These are, whether you keep them together or if you wanted to separate them. I mean, you can't be more adorable than this. This is just too cute. And for $1, who can beat it? Nobody. And you know, that's the thing I love about this, is that each one of these was just $1. So it's affordable. It's affordable for anyone who's just trying to decorate for Halloween or just add more to what they already have. I love this, my favorite, absolutely my favorite.
Mine too.
Yeah, I'm like, oh yeah, absolutely, I'm in love.
Notice we have 2 of those.
Yes, we did try to keep it 2 to 4 of everything for each of us. So,
right.
So that's our haul.
Did you show the scarecrows?
I did.
Okay.
I did show the scarecrows, and so I mean that's our haul. That was our big day today, and so actually, even though you know you're looking at it, it's really, when you're doing it all and you're in the process of it, it's a lot. It's actually work, you know. But it was fun. It was fun work, and so now the real work's gonna get started, because now we're gonna sit down and eventually we're gonna sort everything out, and we'll definitely start on those wreaths.
And we'll be back with a video on those.
Correct.
So, from my heart to yours.
And my heart.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Show Sheila some love. You know the drill. Subscribe if you haven't. Ring the bell so you know. And we'll see you in our next video.